Hi there, and welcome back to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to draw a 45-degree angle in TradingView. When it comes to chart analysis, drawing a perfect 45-degree angle can be a game changer. Whether you're just starting out or have years of trading experience, being able to visualize angles on your charts can offer valuable insights into market trends. So, let's dive in and learn this handy skill. First, let's head over to the toolbar on the left side of the TradingView interface. Here, you'll find various tools to help you analyze and annotate your charts. Look for the tool labeled Trend Angle, which is under the Trend Tools section. This tool is crucial for drawing precise angles on your charts. Go ahead and click on it. Now that you have the Trend Angle tool selected, you'll need to place your initial point. This is the starting point of your angle. Click on the spot on your chart where you want the angle to begin. It could be where a trend line intersects, or any point of interest where you want to examine the trend alignment. Precision is important here, as it will set the foundation for your angle. Next, click to establish the second point, defining the other end of your angle. As you do this, a line will appear on your chart, creating an angle with the axis. You'll notice a small text box showing the exact angle in degrees. This is where accuracy comes in. You're aiming for that perfect 45 degrees. To get it just right, you might need to make subtle adjustments. Click and drag either point until the angle reads precisely 45 degrees on the chart. Patience is key, and zooming in can help with accuracy as you make these fine adjustments. Remember, hitting that exact mark can greatly enhance your technical analysis. Once you've nailed the 45-degree angle, take a moment to see how it interacts with market patterns on your chart. This angle can help you spot potential support or resistance levels, offering deeper insights into market dynamics. And don't forget to save your work. If you frequently use these analyses, consider structuring your chart templates to include these insightful angles. Hopefully this guide helped you easily master how to draw a 45-degree angle in TradingView. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel PMN Online.